Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Podia as a blog. Podia is a platform that offers endless possibilities for anyone online that would like to create a blog or start selling online. For example, if I were to select websites right here, you can see that your websites offer numerous features. You can use it to create a landing page, a link in bio, portfolio websites, and so much more. You can also use Podia for email marketing, and you can use it to start selling online courses and other digital products. And to get started is completely free. All you'll need to do once on podia.com, you can tap on get your free account or you can select sign up. Once you're signed up and you have verified your email address, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, to start blogging, you're going to hover over blog from the top navigation bar. Then you're going to tap on new posts. After selecting new posts, you're going to tap on set up blog. Once you have selected set up blog, you can see some sample blogs that were added right here. Now all you need to do is tap on new post in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on new post, you'll now be able to add in your first blog article. So you can type it in right here. You could add the title. So for example, let's say test post. Then you could type in your information right here, or you could paste it in. So once you have added your information, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner for it to be published. Once it has been published, you'll realize that you now have a URL link that you can share. But before sharing your URL link, what I would recommend you do is go back to the top left hand corner of the navigation bar, tap on site, then you're going to tap on edit site. After selecting edit site, from here you'll be able to customize how your website look. At the moment it is a blank site and we're going to be changing that. So we're going to be selecting full website. Then you can also choose the color concept that you would like to use. After you're finished, you're going to tap on continue. Then you can choose your site language. Then you'll tap on show me my site. After you have selected show me my site, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you can see how your website looks at the moment. So this is our home page, as you can see here. And to start making changes, all you need to do is simply tap on any section that you would like to change. Then from the left hand menu option, you could choose to change the image if you want by tapping on the image. You can also make the image clickable by tapping on the link icon right here. After doing that, you can edit the text that is currently there. So you can make changes to the text right here. You could type in whatever you want. You can also change the button text. So you could do that, and you can select a page that you would like to redirect persons to whenever they come onto your home page. Another thing that you can do, you can tap right where you see home page in the top left hand corner, and then from there you can select any one of the pages that you would like to edit. So for example, let's say I were to select blog posts. You can see the blog post that we had created, and if we were to tap on the plus right here, you can see different elements that you can quickly add. For example, you can add text, you can add images. Unfortunately, to add video or featured, you will need to go onto their paid plan. But you can also add an email form. So if we were to tap on that, you can see how the email form looks, and then you can quickly edit it to your liking if you want. But I'll leave it as is. You can see how it looks right there. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on the X once more in the top left hand corner. And again, you can edit all pages, or if you would like to add a new page, you can tap on new page right here, and you could add a new page, as you can see right there. And if it is a case that you would like to change something or remove a page, you could tap on page settings in line with the page. Then you'll see the trash can icon, and from there you could delete that particular page. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on done in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on done, from here you can continue uploading other items to your website. For example, you could select products from the top navigation bar, then you could tap on new product, and you could select whether you would like to sell an online course, a digital download, webinar, bundle, or coaching session. Let's say, for example, we were to select digital download. After selecting digital download, you will simply add in your product name. Then you will tap on create product. After you have selected create product, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can now see your files will appear here. And from here, you could tap on choose files and you could upload the file that you would like to sell. So for example, let's say this. So you can see right there. After you have done that, you can simply tap on details from the top left hand corner of the navigation bar. Once here, you can add in your file name. You can choose a cover image right here by tapping on choose image. So I could upload a cover image. Let's say, for example, I would like to use this cover image, or better yet this. I'll tap on open and you can see the different options. You have the free option, free email delivery, waitlist, or paid. But to accept paid option, you'll need to connect your PayPal or Stripe payment method. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on save right there to save the changes. You can also tap on availability from the top left hand corner, and then from here you could change the status from draft to publish. So you can tap on publish in the top right hand corner for it to go live. You can also use their community feature if you would like to create a membership website, and so much more. After finished creating your product, you can tap on site once more in the top navigation bar. Then you're going to tap on edit site. After selecting edit site, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Once it has been published, you can tap on view site and you can see your website right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button